Let's go to the beach. Let's go.
Subscribe on our channel.
Good morning. It is the 23rd of May, 2026. And today is the official day na mag-umpisa na ako ulit mag-vlog. Kaka-upload ko lang nung vlog na umalis na sila mama. And it's been a while. Actually, matagal ko na siya na-upload kaso hindi ko lang ma-edit-edit yung thumbnail, yung description. Kaya kagabi lang ng public. But anyway, ngayon na naka-adjust na tayo ng konti. So, I thought this is the time na mag-vlog na ulit tayo. Anyways, today, it's gonna be sunny and we plan to bring Macy and Makayla to the beach. So, this will be Makayla's first time sa beach. So, tingnan natin how she will react. I mean, she's just 5 months old. Hindi natin alam how she will feel, but then naramdaman ko kasi na masyadong mainit dito sa bahay. So, Macy wanted also to go to the beach, kaya sabi ko, I think it's a good idea na pumunta sa beach. So, samahan nyo kami. I'm just having breakfast. So, I cooked spaghetti yesterday. And let's eat quickly bago magising yung mga bata. Alam ko, sinabi ko na kumain tayo ng mabilis. Pero, kwentuhan muna tayo. It's, let me see the time. It is currently 6:46 a.m. while we're speaking. This week is gonna be sunny dito sa UK. And kahapon nga, nag-usap kami ni Mark. Parang feeling namin, maganda siguro kung naranasan din or na-experience din nila Papa yung ganitong weather, kasi mostly nung pagdating nila, lamig na lamig talaga sila. Hindi kasi sanay si Papa, lalo na't nag-stroke siya, nagkaroon siya ng bad stroke. So, hindi na niya kaya yung ganong klase ng lamig. So, sayang lang kasi maganda sana kung na-experience din nila to. But obviously, everything has to come to an end and umuwi na nga sila. Malungkot, syempre, nakakapanibago. Kahapon nga si Macy, sabi niya, naka-chat niya si Mama, sabi niya, can you come back here? Syempre na-touch naman si Mama. We'll try our best na bumalik sila. Pero syempre, iba din yung pakiramdam, guys, no? Kasi nung dumating sila Mama dito, naiyak ako dahil feeling ko, natupad ko din yung maliban sa pangarap ko. May pangarap din silang natupad ko, which is makatuntungan ng abroad, makapunta dito sa UK. And at the same time, makasama din ng mas matagal yung mga apo nila. Kasi nga dahil dito ako sa UK, pag umuwi kami, halos 2 weeks lang sa kanila. Kasi syempre, 2 weeks sa side ni Mark, 2 weeks sa side ko. So, yun lang. Nakakatuwa lang. Gusto ko lang ma-share. Namimiss ko sila Mama, of course. Pero, again, thankful ako na nakapunta sila dito. Masaya ako dahil naparanas ko din sa kanila yung feeling nakatira dito sa UK. So, sana bumalik sila. Next time naman is yung sister ko and brother ko. Hopefully, fingers crossed, guys. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ng mga konting experience nila Mama, umiyak na. So, where was I? Yun nga. Sobrang na-appreciate ko din talaga yung punta nila kasi iba din talaga dito sa UK. Walang katulong-katulong. Pwede magbantay, nani ang tawag, magbabayad ka. Pero syempre, hindi mo naman agad-agad pwede ipagkatiwala ang anak mo sa taong hindi mo kilala, di ba? Lalo lang ngayon, maraming news na may nangyayari sa childcare, ganun. And I'm a bit guilty on that kasi si Macy nagne-nursery. Pero, yun, kumbaga, na-assess na namin, kilala namin yung mga tao na sa nursery. Kaya nga, if we have no choice, dun din si Makayla. Pero at the moment, naka-maternity leave pa naman ako. And again, it was easier when there's extra help here nung nandito sila mama kasi kung kailangan kong umalis, nakakaalis agad ako. Kung kailangan nung namin umalis ni Mark, naiwan namin yung mga bata agad. Yung ganun. But obviously, this is the lifestyle we chose. So, nandito tayo sa UK. But at the same time also, iba din yung effect pag ikaw talaga purely ang nagbabantay sa mga anak mo o stay-at-home moms. I mean, I salute them. I feel how they feel, especially ngayon na dalawa na anak ko. It's not easy. It's not an easy job. But it is fulfilling, so no regrets there. Anyway, gusto ni Mark na samahan ko siya sa sala, so sabi ko bonding time muna sa aming dalawa. Sarap. Punta muna ako doon. Then, I guess we'll get ready na to leave. Kumuha pala ako ng egg pie, guys. Yung Philippine style. Sarap. Comment down below kung gusto nyo i-upload ko ang recipe. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yummy. Let's go to the beach. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Yay! Yes, we're here. And we're here at the beach. Masyado namang maaraw. Diyos ko.
You make it home.
Yeah, put it there.
You put those stones there. So
Here, baby, give me KK.
so we can, so it doesn't blow mommy up.
Oh, okay.
So,
Wait.
so it doesn't blow up mommy.
Yeah, we're here.
I'm having fun.
So, we're at the beach now. And Mommy, she's there playing. Teka lang. Medyo mahirap mag-vlog. May pinapatulog. May maliit na toddler. At medyo maaraw. So, si Mark bumili ng food sa Greg's. Si Makayla tulog na sa likod. Kain tayo. So, what did you get?
Steak bake.
First,
Microsoft Jet.
I'll have the steak bake.
What about
You have donut.
what about my food?
So walang pizza.
Wala din.
There's no pizza, bebe. So you have this one. Ate,
Yeah.
bread.
Okay.
Here.
Donut too.
You can play lang
That's my
muna.
juice.
You wanna drink now?
My juice.
You wanna drink it now?
I got wet.
I know, it's okay.
Next time, we'll probably, if Daddy has to go upstairs, you'll need to go with him. Ang steak bake mura. Ang Greg's mura. So, if you're here in Newcastle, in the UK. Newcastle lang ba ang Greg's? Or,
Everywhere.
yeah, if you're in the UK at gusto nyo ng murang food, Greg's is the way to go. So, today, guys,
I don't know why.
ang temperature is like gonna reach max 20. Kaya napag-isip-isip namin na mauna na kami sa beach kasi for sure lahat ng mga tao lalabas at pupunta sa beach kasi Pag summer lang talaga namin na-enjoy to or mga spring, ganun. So, last week maulan din, kaya today, it's a good day na makalabas-labas din naman. Makayla's first time din. She already managed to feel the sun, pero inaantok kasi siya eh, kaya yung tulog. Kumutan ko ba yung paa niya? Kumutan ko ba yung paa niya? Kain tayo. Oh, because the wind is too strong. What about you, baby?
Don't press it, huh? Coke this time.
Macy got hungry. And Sana, hello daddy. Kayla's at the back. Naubos ko na yung food. So bumili si Mark ng 2 steak bake, 3 donut, 1 bote ng Coke, 1 bote ng Sprite, at saka 1 pack ng juice. How much was it?
Juice.
17 pounds lang lahat. You cannot get that anywhere else kasi pag bumili ka niyan sa like sa restaurant or sa cafe, sobra pa. Siguro 20 plus ang
Juice.
babayaran ni Mark. Teka lang ha. What is that?
I'm gonna show them the blood.
Ah, you're showing them the bread. Magba-vlogger dito eh, itong batang to. So, pag hindi nyo pa napanood yung videos namin guys, panoorin nyo naman. Marami na akong videos na na-upload, pero yung years before, putol-putol siya kasi nga nagkaroon ng baby, Macy, and then ngayon naman meron ng isang bagong baby. So hopefully, ngayon, kung kaya, tuloy-tuloy na. So, sa mga hindi nag-subscribe, please subscribe. Ako mahilig talaga ako manood ng mga vlogs din ng ibang OFW eh. Hindi ko alam anong meron. Pero, if you can, please subscribe. Say subscribe.
Subscribe on our channel. Can you make it as a vlog, Mom?
Yeah, we will upload this. Si Macy, tinuturuan pa namin mag-Tagalog. What Tagalog word do you know? Baliktad. What else? How do you say delicious, yummy? When you're eating food and it's yummy, what do you say? Masarap?
Masarap.
And then, salamat po.
Salamat po.
And, ano pa ba? Ano pa ba ang Tagalog na alam ni Macy? Masarap sa... Kumusta ka? Do you know kumusta ka? It means, how are you?
Hello?
Ano pa? Si Macy,
Hello?
pag nagsa-sentence, pag gumagawa ng sentence si Macy, mahilig siya sa...
Hello.
Kumusta? Hello. Pag nagsa-sentence si Macy, mahilig siyang magdugtong ng ito, like, this one na lang, ganun na lang, or pwede pa, like, she'll say, another game pa, parang ganun, or naman, yun, marunong si Macy gumawa, gamitin yung mga salita. Hey, she loves bread too. Do you wanna say something to the vlog?
I love you, vlog.
Do you like the beach?
Yeah, because there's lots of sand.
There's loads of sand. Who said we'll go to the beach today? Who wanted to go to the beach today? You. Okay. Record mo.
I love you. You love me. Bella, happy family, and a great big hug. And because mommy to you, won't you say you love me too?
Instant concert. Ay, ang sarap.
I love you, you love me, Bella, happy family, every time. See you, love me, say you love me too. I'm excited.
Excited to what?
To stay here.
Stand up
Stay in
first.
the picnic and then get this flag here.
Ah, okay.
But once she's bigger, okay? Once she
Ah, you mean KK? She's there at the back. She's sleeping.
oh, she's sleeping very well.
Yeah, let's just leave it like that because she is cranky when she doesn't get enough. What will you say to the vlog?
I love you. You love me. Bella, happy family. Get me hard and love you. Hope you say you love me too.
Yay!
Good.
I know. You know what I mean? Because
Then what
I
do you do?
why did he record it?
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just
Our baby is awake. Namula ang tuhod. Gising na. It's cold. Malamig.
Can you stay with me, mommy?
Huh?
Can you stay with me?
I will. I am staying. Come
Can
on.
you walk with me?
So, we decided to have ice cream to end our day. Well, our time here in Blythe. Natulog na si Makiki. So, we'll just enjoy our ice cream and that's it for today. See you tomorrow.